Thinking about buying a USB microphone, but not sure which one to pick? The market is full of options. Some say high performance is best, others highlight affordability, and some insist extra features are a must. In today's video, I've researched and analyzed customer reviews and ratings to bring you the top 5 best USB microphones, perfect for YouTube creators, gamers, podcasters, and streamers. Don't skip ahead. Watch till the end to find out which one is the right fit for you. Let's get started. Item number 5. The Logitech Creator's Blue Yeti USB microphone. Blackout is a must-have for creators who demand studio-quality sound. Its tri-capsule array delivers clear, professional audio for gaming, streaming, podcasts, and YouTube videos. With 4 versatile pickup patterns, cardioid, omni, bidirectional, and stereo, you can capture solo vocals, instruments, or group discussions effortlessly. Onboard controls let you adjust gain, mute instantly, and monitor in real time, giving you full control over your sound. The adjustable desktop stand ensures perfect positioning, while Blue Voice software adds stunning vocal effects. Plug and play with PC or headphones and enjoy broadcast quality sound instantly, perfect for every modern creator. Item number 4. The Shure MV7 Plus Podcast Dynamic Microphone with Stand is perfect for podcasters, streamers, and content creators seeking studio-quality audio. OBS certified with voice isolation technology and a real-time denoiser, it ensures your voice stays clear and crisp by filtering ambient noise. The LED touch panel lets you customize colors, monitor levels, and mute instantly. Auto level mode automatically adjusts gain for balanced sound, while the digital pop filter eliminates harsh plosives. Flexible USB-C and XLR outputs fit any setup, from beginner rigs to pro studios. Paired with the Motive Mix app, you can fine-tune audio, add reverb, and personalize your mic. Everything you need for professional audio is ready to use. Item number 3. The HyperX QuadCast 2S USB microphone is designed for gamers, streamers, and podcasters who demand studio-quality sound. Its 4 selectable polar patterns, cardioid, omnidirectional, bidirectional, and stereo, let you capture vocals, instruments, or group discussions perfectly. The tap-to-mute sensor and multifunction knob give you instant control over gain, headphone volume, monitor mix, and polar pattern selection. A removable shock mount reduces vibrations for crystal-clear audio, while RGB ARGB lighting lets you customize your setup with over 16 million colors. Fine-tune every detail using HyperX Ingenuity software. Compatible with PC, Mac, and gaming consoles, it's the ultimate microphone for any content creator or streamer. Item number 2. The Sennheiser Professional Profile USB Microphone Streaming Set is perfect for streamers, podcasters, and content creators seeking premium sound with effortless setup. This USB microphone delivers natural, warm audio that captures the richness of your voice while minimizing background noise. The included boom arm allows optimal microphone placement for consistent, professional-grade recordings. Twist-of-a-dial controls let you adjust volume and gain instantly without relying on software. Built with award-winning German engineering and a cardioid condenser capsule, it ensures durability and exceptional performance. Compatible with PC, smartphones, tablets, and laptops, this streaming set combines sleek design, plug-and-play simplicity, and studio-quality sound, making it an ideal choice for creators at any level. Item number 1. The RØDE NT1 5th Gen Large-Diaphragm Condenser Microphone delivers studio-quality sound for vocals, instruments, podcasts, and music production. It combines the classic warm, silky tone of the NT1 with next-generation technology, offering ultra-low self-noise and high SPL handling. Connect via XLR to an audio interface or directly via USB for crystal-clear recordings up to 192 kHz. The included SM6 shock mount and pop filter reduce vibrations and plosives for clean sound. Built with high-grade aluminum and ceramic coating, it's durable for daily use. Compatible with PC, Mac, mixers, and cameras, this mic brings professional-grade audio to any studio or home setup. Which of these USB microphones is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.